We got that covered. We got that covered. That's what we got that covered. You don't go green, you don't go green, you stay by your house. We got that covered. We got that covered. My dear people of River State, today, 6th of May 2022, the Supreme Court of Nigeria has delivered its judgment on the subsisting boundary dispute between Imo State and River State over the ownership of some oil wells at the Akiri and Mbidi oil fields. Let us recall that following the disputed claims to the location and ownership of some oil wells at the Akiri and Mbidi oil fields between Imo and River State in 1999, the governors, the Excellencies Achike Udenwa and Dr. Peter Odley, respectively, worked out a political settlement and mutually settled for a 50-50% beneficial sharing of the derivation proceeds accruing from these wells pending the proper demarcation of the boundaries between the two states by the National Boundary Commission. While the dispute lingered, nothing was done by the National Boundary Commission to demarcate the boundaries of the two states and establish the proper location and title to the disputed oil wells. However, instead of instigating the National Boundary Commission to do the right thing, former Governor Emeka Ihedioha of Imo State, shortly after assuming office, repudiated the subsisting 50-50% sharing formula and made provocative claims to the exclusive ownership of the entire Akere and Mbidi oil wells. In order to actualize these spurious claims, he stealthily wrote a letter dated August 2019 to President Muhammadu Buhari and requested for the refund of the sum of 15 billion naira from River State to Imo State as backlog of accrued proceeds from the 13% derivation revenue of the said oil wells. Acting on Governor Ihedioha's letter, Mr. President warranted a letter to be written to the Revenue Mobilization, Allocation, and Fiscal Commission, RAMFAC, through his late Chief of Staff, Mr. Abakari, to alter the status quo in favor of Imo State without reference to the subsisting dispute and agreement between the two states. Surprised by the surreptitious plots and collusive actions of the government of Imo State under Emeka Ihedioha and the National Boundary Commission to overreach the legal interests of River State in the disputed oil wells, the River State government opted to approach the court for a just and lasting resolution. Accordingly, we first applied to the Federal High Court, Abuja, and among other release, successfully challenged the powers and authority of Mr. President to give directives to the RAMFAC and or interfere in any manner whatsoever with the distribution of public revenues from the distributable pool account, including the Federation account. Not satisfied with the positive ruling of the Federal High Court, the Imo State government appealed to the Court of Appeal and lost. We then proceeded against the government of Imo State at the Supreme Court in a fresh suit for a final and conclusive determination of the boundary dispute between our two states. In approaching the Supreme Court in this matter, we believe that the dispute between the two states and the contentious issues are such that the court can judicially, justly, and expeditiously determine with available facts and supporting evidence, including valid administrative maps, substituting judgments, and other relevant documents. And so, the Supreme Court has finally and conclusively resolved the dispute and granted full and exclusive ownership of all the disputed oil wells in Akiri and Ihedioha field to Rivers State, much to everyone's relief. Although Governor Uzodimma was not a mastermind of the impulsive trajectory that compelled us to seek the intervention and protection of the court, he nevertheless participated fully in the litigation process to the end without engaging Rivers State government for a possible political solution. However, his reactions to the judgments of the lower courts on this matter were clearly uncalled for. Indeed, it was rather unfortunate that for someone who became governor through the instrumentality of the judiciary could turn around to castigate the very institution that made him ruler over the good, peaceful, and progressive people of Imo State. Now that the Supreme Court has spoken, we hope Governor Uzodimma will accept the outcome in good faith, refrain from usual diatribes against the judiciary, and explore possible pathways to accommodation and compromise from the Rivers State government. This will immediately oblige, despite the betrayals and backstabbing by Emeka Ihedioha, who, in spite of the extensive support and goodwill he received from the government and people of Rivers State to become governor, led the onslaught and created a wedge between two brotherly states that have been living at peace and in friendship with each other. We also deplore the collusive action of the National Boundary Commission, which unfortunately has become notorious as one of the most corrupt national agencies, which has functioned more in causing confusion than resolving boundary disputes. It bears repeating that the quest to defend our ownership rights through the courts over the Akiri and Ihedioha oil wells was not intended to claim victory over Imo or any other state. We are therefore open to further discussions with the government of Imo State on the best way forward without prejudice to the outcome of today's judgment. We appreciate the lawyers that prosecuted and secured this landmark success for Rivers State and for their efforts. It is my pleasure to announce the conferment of state honors on every one of them as the Single Service Star of Rivers State, DSSRS. Finally, I wish to reiterate our resolve to continue to fight for, advance, and protect the best interests of Rivers State at all times and under any circumstances up to the end of our government. And we hope our successor will likewise continue in this courageous spirit and determination to make the desired positive difference for our state and our people. Thank you, and may God bless you all.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.